Hello again, Nick Scheppa with Miller Motorcars, Bentley Greenwich, and today I would like to show you how to connect your trickle charger to your all-new Bentley Bentayga. Now, every Bentley Bentayga comes with this bag that has your trickle charger. This will keep your battery safe and healthy when you're not using the vehicle, such as traveling, on vacation, or allowing the Continental to get some exercise. So where you're going to connect this to is to the right of the license plate. This is the 12-volt plug that will magnetically connect right there. Once you've connected that, I want you to then take the plug. It's a 110 outlet, and you can plug it right into the wall. Once you plug that in, take a look at the system here. They're LED lights, and they'll go from left to right to charge to a full battery. If you have any errors on this, on the top left, you'll see the icon indicating that you have an issue. Of course, please reach out to your sales specialist or your service specialist for assistance. I hope that helps.